How to send bulk messages on WhatsApp Business. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send bulk messages on WhatsApp Business. First, open the App Store on your phone. Now make sure to update the WhatsApp to the latest version. Next, navigate to WhatsApp and go to Settings. Then tap the Broadcast Messages option. Here, open the list you created. After that, write your message and send it. Each recipient will receive the message individually. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.